Hello from the Daily Dad. Today we're in downtown Bethesda and making our way down Bethesda Row to this super pretty restaurant that has been kind of on my radar screen since it opened back in November of 2020. They've managed to survive the onslaught of the pandemic. They've managed to stave off a recent bankruptcy back in late 2024. And somehow, they've stayed in business despite selling the worst xiaolongbao I've ever tasted. So, what's the story here? I'm curious, and you're curious. On this episode, we're going to visit Hawker's Asian Street Food on the Daily Dad. This restaurant is located in an area of Bethesda where every storefront is eye-catchingly gorgeous. Hawker's, though, may have the prettiest interior of them all. It bursts with golds and reds that would make any imperial Chinese emperor proud, including their children. But you could also describe it as an Asian night market meets an izakaya, at least in terms of the interior. But let's take a closer look, because this place, I feel, is more of a place for social meet and greets rather than being a true restaurant. I mean, I love their alcoholic and craft cocktail menu. They offer 66 types of libations. Contrast that, though, with just 46 menu items. Well, the Daily Dad is here for the food, so this video is a compilation of 3 separate visits so that I could sample a little bit of everything from all the sections of the menu. I know that I'm curious, and you're curious. Sit back and enjoy while we take a tour of taste from the Hawker's Asian Street Food menu. I would certainly come here for the drinks with a group of friends, but the food is hit or miss, or a complete miss with the case of the xiaolongbao. Of the items that I tried, I would order some of them again, but in a place like this, the food really plays a supporting role. I'm not convinced that this is a good place to go if you're just looking for lunch or dinner. Again, it's a great place to meet up with friends. It's a good place to have a business meeting. It's a decent place if you know what to order. But man, Bethesda's restaurant scene is really competitive nowadays, and while their interior stands out, the food experience doesn't. The most Asian thing about this place is the music that they pipe over the speakers in the bathroom. Hey, this is the Daily Dad reminding you to try new things and to be happy.